If you're planning to study in Spain for April 2026 intake, then please don't wait until the next year to start. Because Spain looks simple from outside because it doesn't require any APS like Germany or IELTS or any traditional visa interview process. But it requires a lot of documentation, and here timing matters more than anything. Let me break it down exactly how we prepare our students in our company switch abroad from their first application to visa stamping with a realistic and a faster timeline. See, Spain's spring intake has very limited number of seats. So November to December is the best time to start your application. Finalize your course and university, prepare your SOP and just apply. Because most universities will schedule at least one or two online interviews, usually on Microsoft Teams or Skype. Once you're selected, you'll receive your offer letter within just 10 to 15 days. IELTS is not mandatory, but a 6 to 6.5 score always helps. Now, here's the realistic part. A full documentation and visa process can be done within just 30 to 45 days only if you plan smartly. Within the first 30 days, you can complete your university interview, receive your offer letter, apply and also get your police clearance certificate only to the Passport Seva Kendra, and parallelly get your medical certificate from an MD doctor on an official letterhead. During the next 15 days, you get your documents apostille, which includes your birth certificate, 10th, 12th, your highest degree, and then immediately get them translated to a Spanish sworn translation, along with your police clearance certificate and your medical certificates. If your agency handles both apostille and translation, use the same one because it saves you almost 1 week of coordination. During these 15 days, parallelly, you should also book your accommodation for at least 3 months. Get it notarized and sworn translation into Spanish. At the same time, pay your initial deposit or fee as per the offer letter, arrange your financial documents and purchase your health insurance and also your travel insurance. For financials, make sure you maintain a savings account with at least 10 to 12 lakh of bank balance for at least 3 months. Include your bank statement, balance certificate and ITS showcasing at least 8 lakhs of income for the past 2 years. You can also combine multiple sponsors for your ITR only if needed. By the end of these 45 days, you'll have everything ready. Apostille documents, sworn translation, your financial proof, accommodation proof, insurance, university fee payment, confirmations as well. Once all documents are ready, book your refundable flight tickets, ideally 5 to 15 days before your classes start, and then proceed to book your visa appointment at the BLS International. Usually centers are located in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai and Kolkata. You can choose whichever is nearest to you. You'll have to visit the BLS International in person for your biometric and document submission. There is no detailed interview like the US or other countries, but you must carry every document in order. Once the appointment is done, the visa waiting period is usually 2 to 6 weeks depending on the city and also the season. During that wait time, you can make use of this time very wisely. You can start learning basic Spanish. It helps a lot once you land over there, not just for communication, but also in search of your part-time jobs and for your jobs which you are going to find after completing of your masters. Once your visa is approved, book your final travel tickets and prepare for your departure. After arrival in Spain, apply for your TIE card within the first 30 days itself. And that acts as your residence permit, which is going to allow you to work up to 20 hours a week while you're studying. Later, you can convert that into a full-time work permit or a blue card once you get a full-time employment after you get graduated. So yes, the entire process right from your interview to visa filing can actually be done within just 45 days if you're systematic. Spain is one of the most practical study destinations in Europe. You get English taught programs, the visa process has a very high success rate, and the living cost is also very much affordable, and you have clear post-study work options and also PR options within the next 5 years. At Switch Abroad, we guide students step by step, from university shortlisting to document legalization, the sworn translation, accommodation, and also the visa filing. This is a general visa process for Spain. But currently, if you're interested in doing a master's in supply chain management or Masters in Project Management, we have openings for the April 2026 intake with a total fee around 8 lakh rupees. Yes, you just heard it right. So to get it started or check your eligibility, you can call us or message us to our WhatsApp. The number is highlighting on the video itself. So our team will guide you every step throughout the way.